Now welcome to day 14 to learn how to do realistic drawing with Logo Art. Now in this tutorial I'm about to show you a secret tool that you can use to do hyper realistic hair. Now you don't need any apart from these two, you don't need any other tools. You only need this tool and your pencil and you are good to go. Now this tool is called bald head pens, and if you don't have it, I'm going to show you an alternative way to do it at home. Then you used to do your work. If you don't have money to purchase this tool, stick to the end of this video and I'm going to show you the secrets. Now the first thing you are going to do if you have this pen is you just use this pen, the tip of this pen, to mark the paper. Do you understand? You just use to create some hair strands on the paper. You just use to mark it. It's quite invisible because it's just the reverse way of doing stuff. Do you get it? So, and it is some way visible. You can actually see, but not too much visible. So you just use to create your hair strands on the paper. Then after using to create these hair strands, the next step you are going to do is to use your pencil. You can use your H pencil, HB pencil, or 8B or any dark pencil, depending on how dark you want the hair to come out. Do you understand? You can even go as extreme to use charcoal pencil to make it more dark, depending on how your reference is and how you want the darkness to come out. You get it? You use the side of the pencil to shade everything. Just shade everything. After marking the paper with your head pen, you just use your charcoal or your pencil to do what? To shade everything. Now in the process of shading, you realize that the place that you use the ball pen to mark, it will become white. Yes, it will create the reverse form of it. So instead of using your Tombow eraser or charcoal white or any electric eraser, any highlighting pen to do these details, your ball pen will do what? Will create this for you. Your ball head pen will create this for you, and it is very simple. It's amazing and stuff. You don't need any skills, additional skills to read this level. Do you understand? You only need this particular tool to create this and you are good to go. If you need any highlighting pen, that's additional. It's a plus for you. It's not anything with or without it. You can still achieve this result. Do you get it? Now if you don't have this pen in your area, or you need some, you can contact us. But then if you don't have some at all, you can't get access to it. Now I'm about to show you how to make some at home. Now all you need is to get a blunt pen. Do you understand? You get a pen that is not coming, the ink is finished, so you just use it, the tip of it. So just use the tip in place of this. So just use the tip to mark the paper, just like he's doing. Do you understand? But this time around, you're using pen. Do you get it? So just use it to create these hair strands and invisible hair strands on your drawing sheet. So after doing it, then you just go ahead and use your pencil or your charcoal or anything. Just use to shade everything. You realize that it also creates the reverse form of the white for you, and it is very, very amazing. It is very, very simple. If you like this video, type draw in the comment section and I will bring you this every single day. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Now we have a drawing class online where we teach beginners how to draw from scratch and how to produce realistic drawing and become that great artist you ever wanted to be. Now this course is available on our website logoart.com. You can either purchase the course there directly or pick the number on the screen and message us on WhatsApp and we will enroll you in this course. Now this course is available for everyone, whether you are in the country or outside the country, everybody around the world. Or maybe you want the tools and materials used in this video and you don't know where to buy them. Now we have everything available. Now pick the number on the screen and message us on WhatsApp and we will deliver to wherever you are. You are always welcome.